UAE companies that are present here today. Assalamu alaikum. I would like to first of all thank you all for joining us today to celebrate business collaborations, partnerships, and the friendships that have been forged over time between the people of Pakistan and the companies of Pakistan and the businesses of Pakistan and UAE. We are here also to recognize some of the shining stars of Pakistan who have, over the years, been a source of pride for us by rising through the ranks in the global tech sphere, making a mark and putting Pakistan up on the map. I'm not going to take much time, but I'm just going to briefly say that today Pakistan, with a 240 million population, a very dynamic youth bulge, 50,000 plus IT graduates per year, robust connectivity, internet penetration, I would say that Pakistan today is the place to be. Honorable Prime Minister of Pakistan's vision and the whole of the government approach taken by the government of Pakistan through the SIFC places IT sector at the top of its priorities. Whether it is sectoral development or international investment or skills training, you name it, and IT stays at the top of everyone's priority across the board. Honorable Prime Minister, I feel it's very important to mention, has been the pioneer of e-governance and e-services in Pakistan. Since his time as the Chief Minister of Punjab in Pakistan, he has been working on digitizing governance, digitizing service for the people of Punjab. And I would say that all of this happened much before digital transformation was the buzzword. E-libraries, e-learning centers, co-working spaces, distribution of laptops are just some of the many initiatives that have been taken by the Honorable Prime Minister and the then CM since 2008. And now, as we have him as the Prime Minister of Pakistan, I am very proud and I feel it's very encouraging that one of his first directives were to embark on a very ambitious journey of digitizing Pakistan in 3 verticals: digital economy, digital governance, and digital society. And it is very important to mention here that the unique point of his vision is that all of this has to be led by the private sector. Starting from planning to implementation, execution, investment, everything has to be led by the private sector, and this is the only way of ensuring its success. Last but not the least, I would say that as IT sector has changed the global paradigm in every walk of our life, it is absolutely imperative that growth and success will not be possible without partnerships and collaborations. And with this, Honorable Prime Minister and for my esteemed guests around the table today, I am very proud to say that today, in your presence, we will be signing 3 agreements between the UAE and Pakistani companies. Can we please have, Honorable Prime Minister, with your permission, I would like to, first of all, call upon Labware and Maison Consulting to please come up on the table. Labware Arabia from UAE is presented by Mr. Waqas Asif, who is the Managing Director, and Maison Consulting is a Pakistani company represented by Sultan Hamdan, who is the Global CEO. Maison will be providing enterprise cloud services to the pharmaceutical industry for Labware Arabia in the UAE. It is only a pilot project worth $1 million dirhams, and will lead to further agreements as soon as the pilot phase is over and successfully completed. We would like to congratulate Mr. Sultan Hamdan and Mr. Waqas Asif for this agreement signing today. So the next agreement is between 800 Inc. Holding and Infotech. 800 Inc. Holding is represented by Rehan Pathan, who is Mr. Rehan Pathan, who is the chairman, and Inam Salim, who is the managing director, and Infotech is represented by Mr. Nasir Akhtar, president and CEO. 800 Holding is a diverse group working in the field of retail, distribution, automotive, and food. They have partnered with Infotech to fuel their expansion through digitization of their entire GCC operations. This agreement will help them to develop digital channels for B2B, B2C supply chain, revenue assurance, and CRM. And Infotech is today a proud partner for 800 Inc. Holding. We congratulate both the companies for this agreement. Third, we have Minsait, a Spanish Indra group, and Infotech. I would request Mr. Nasir to please stay seated. Minsait is represented by Andre Molnar, his regional manager, and Mr. Alex Moya. Infotech will be working with this company for their energy automation globally. They work for power distribution, automated metering, grid management. This would also include the flagship iScope metering program that is happening in Pakistan by Minsait and in collaboration with Infotech. This will add about 14 billion revenue in the Middle East, Africa, and Pakistan. We'd like to congratulate all these companies for these agreements today, and I would now request the Honorable Prime Minister of Pakistan, Mohammad Shehbaz Sharif Sahab, to please join us on stage to give mementos to our happy, satisfied UAE companies who've been working in collaboration with Pakistani companies, and to celebrate the success of Pakistani companies in successfully delivering their services to these companies in the UAE. Sir, please, can we have you on stage?